Hi guys, and welcome to the Sinfiltrator review. What this is a web-based software that basically allows you to put your own pop-ups over other people's pages. So basically you can steal the authority of popular pages to put your pop-up over them, and also put your links in that pop-up. So as you can see, the front offer here, you have a complete training plus the software package. And the software, as I mentioned, allows you to put your call to actions in the form of pop-ups on other people's authority sites. So you get a special code that you can post to forums, FB groups, and so on. I need to mention here that link is not your custom domain link, it's their link, and I will show you what this looks like right now. The OTO upgrade is where you can get your own domain options, so you can have your own URL that you like. Okay, so the main thing is this is the dashboard, and you go to first to create new offer. I have some offers already. I have one offer created here. So let's go from the top. You just click on new offer. You put in your offer name, the pop-up timing over here, and you have various options here for the offer. It can be an image, a video, an iframe, which is basically your custom HTML form. So you can create your own sign-up form with your autoresponder if it is not listed here, and just pick up that raw HTML form and select this one and put the iframe or HTML code here, and you will have the sign up form that you created with your autoresponder be visible here when you select the iframe. You have external website, the Optin form. So there are several listed here. The Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp from the more popular ones. The footer bar, the Scarcity bar, and the header bar is what is possible to do here. So let's go to the one that I already created. And now let's go to edit this one. And I selected the video here. And you have various, as you can see, options for video. This here to the left is it's not actually a preview, it's just so you can see the general idea of what the pop-up will look like. And I would like a preview somewhere over here as I create this video pop-up, because I can't really see what I'm doing until after I have done it and actually created the entire campaign. So this is for video ID. This is just the last part of your YouTube URL. The pop-up timing, when you want it to show, this is the headline. You can change the font, the size, and the color over here. The subheadline, same thing. Destination link is where you want the people to redirect them, where you want people to go after they click your call to action. The submit button here, this is all in my native language, so you don't understand what it says. The submitted background color, the background could be either an image or a color, or you can leave it at default. If you of course select an image, it allows you to put your image URL here. So I would prefer that this is just an upload for the images, because you have to create an image that's in this size, and then you have to upload it somewhere on your WordPress blog, and then put that link over here. I'm just gonna change this to default to see if anything changes, because I'm not sure how to set up this image background over here that we can see to look like that. So I'm gonna see if that changes anything. Okay, after you created your offer, you go to campaigns, and you go to a new campaign. You select the offer that you have just created, and you select the URL. The URL here being the the authority site that you want to use to promote your offer. Okay, so I have created one already over here, and I've used the Men's Health website because it's a fitness related offer. and that basically looks like this when you go to men's health page. It just pops up like this, and this is a clickable button, and it will lead you to the destination website that you have entered. And yeah, as I said, if you go here, so if you leave it at default, this you will get what it actually looks like in the preview here. So we were at the offers, and edit the offer. So this part right here, and in the on the bottom, I had the color selected here and some random color. But if you go to default, this is what you will see. It will show up in your as your call to action. This right here, as we can see right over here. So that's cool. It looks nicer like this, and basically this is for video pop-up. Now we have something similar come out recently in the video takeover, and in that case, in this product, the pop-up looks like this. And the main difference here is that this is not a pop-up that blocks out the rest of the screen. You can still scroll the page, and you can see this on the side here. And one other piece of product that does this is actually is part of the Engagifier, and or Captifier and Amplifier. They have this remote commander option. I'm logged into my account, and I'm at the remote commander campaigns, and I have something set up here. So if I'm just going to show you what it looks like on this software. So I think it will take some 10 seconds or something for the pop-up to appear, because I have set it like this. And this is one of my campaigns here. Yeah, I think it looks, I guess, nicer, but this does the job as well. Yeah, this looks very nice too. Okay, it's cool that you can just select the default one and it will show up like this. Very cool. And this is not this one allows you just to create pop-ups, where Sinfiltrator allows you to create a lot of things, like we can see here the image, video, iframe, external website, Optin form, footer bar, scarcity bar, and header bar, and that's great. So this is basically it for this review. You have training here, of course, about the software and how to use it, and in short, explain that you have to basically how to find your FB groups, related FB groups, and joining them, and how to create your offer and how to post it on those groups. So this is cool because if you post your links, Sinfiltrator allows you to post your links on top of other people's content, like you can see here. And if you post some just random affiliate offers in groups, you will get banned, because that's considered spamming. But this software allows you to basically find great content related to that group that brings value, and you can use this piece of software to put your link over that content, and then post that link into various Facebook groups, and of course benefit from anyone clicking your link in the process. And you can actually build your list this way. I find it a very useful piece of content, a very cool way to build your list, and I strongly suggest you get the OTO1, because it will allow you to put your own domain option. It's the ability to use Sinfiltrator on your own domain, which will which will mean that you will be able to use your own URL. This is the OTO1. It's $97. The OTO2 is white label rights, $147. You can, what that means, you can sell it as your own. The downsell to the white label rights is $97, and it's a downsell because you don't get the marketing package, no sales page included. And the OTO3 is done for you in case studies. So 10 done for you niches, 5 case studies, and so on, the exact FB groups that they used. And the downsell of the OTO3 and that's 2 case studies and 5 of them for your niches. I forgot to mention here that in the OT1 you can also create free accounts for others. You cannot sell the software, but you can create accounts for others and charge people for that. So that's basically it. Hopefully I covered everything. This is what this software is about. Hope you enjoyed this little review.